How's it going, guys? This is Josh the Non-Alcoholic. We're gonna drink ourselves some beers with the No Booze Reviews. Alright, we got Brewdog in the house tonight. Super stoked about it. I don't even know where to start first. I have tried these already, so I think I would go with let's go GhostWalker first. Lamb of God, one of the craziest packagings I've ever seen. Look at that thing, man. It's wild. Let's see what we got. First aromas. So this hop smells a little bit more like the tangerine and orange variety, as opposed to like lemon, lime, grapefruit. Look at that color. It's definitely got some copper to it. Almost like that bridge. Oh, cool. There is a back-end bitterness to it. You can taste a little bit of that color, but it's definitely got a lighter overall presence to it. I feel like sacrificing a lamb to God or something. This glass just really brings it out. It just like falls into your gullet like so efficiently. And it's really flawless. It's just a really super clean beer. And it's got flavor to it, but a lightness at the same time. Full hop presence. It's delicious. On to the next. What are we doing? Nanny State? All right, Nanny State, here we go. What does that smell like? Ah, I smell the top of a can. It's kind of lighter on the aroma straight out of the can. I like to smell it right when you pop the can open, because you can really get like what's been trapped in there for some time. Oh, even darker than the last one. I didn't know Nanny State was going to be doing that. That's great. Again, I don't know if it's just the wind coming this general direction, but I'm not getting a huge in-the-face, dry hopped presence. But let's see what we got. Oh, okay. You can taste the color in this one. That's got a little bit more malt to it, a little bit more body. And just a little bit of caramel notes, but it's still crisp, clean, like Brewdog style. Like, welcome to the Golden Gate, guys. We're at 4 Point. Look at the city. It's right there. Alcatraz on the left. Got the Salesforce Tower. Beautiful day. You know what today is? What is today? What is today, Mike?
Today is Sunday.
Sunday the
God's
5th?
Day.
It's December 5th, I think.
Yeah.
And it's like, it feels like 70 degrees out. It's crazy. Back to the beer. I like this one. Not fruity. More of like an old world style hop, like an English hop or something. Not fruity, resiny, hoppy. But and then again that color comes through. Next, we got the Punk AF. AF for alcohol free, as opposed to Punk as fuck. Can you swear? On No Booze Reviews? Did I just say fuck? Oh man. Whoa! Much lighter. That's like straw. Little slight haze to it, so you can see that it's not completely filtered. God, I hope I don't get busted for doing this. Because it doesn't look like non-alcoholic beers from there, but I think we're alright. Would that be a federal offense? I'd have to talk my way out of a federal offense? God, I hope not. Alright. Okay, you can smell the hops in this one. More of a lemony hop. Oh, very cool. Yeah. Light, grassy, lemon. This glass just makes it so easy. And like 20 years of drinking experience. I'm gonna call that the lemony one. It's delicious. Again, flawless, clean, Brewdog. They're really freaking good. They keep it light though. It's not a heavy, full-bodied one. All right, the hazy. I do have some expectations with this one because of this. Yeah. That is next level grapefruit. That is like the most aromatic you can get a beer, in my experience. I was trying this one the other day and it absolutely blew my mind. It was like I was eating a grapefruit and like I accidentally bit into the peel a little bit. It was like the most like fresh grapefruit, like nothing wilted about it. And that's exactly what I'm getting here. It's just all the grapefruits. It's amazing. You like grapefruit? Do you like bitter? Do you like Campari? Do you like Negronis? Oh man, do you like... Oh, this is like herbal, grapefruit, the hazy. Look at that thing. It's amazing. Yeah, this one stands out. I've had 3. That's the 4th one, and this one is just like, bam. It's the hazy is where it's at. It's delicious. Part of the reason that I just drank 4 of those is because of Brewdog. Those guys are crazy as fuck, and I love them. I actually went to Scotland about 4 years ago to take the Cicerone test. Real small town over by Aberdeen, in this small town called Ellen, and that's where Brewdog is from. So I took the Cicerone test. I didn't pass it. I missed it by like 2 points. I was super close. You gotta get an 80% or better. I got a 78. So I got some history with these guys. Love what they're doing. This brewery is in Ohio. They have breweries, they have some like Brazil and different parts of the world. These guys are, this is the Ohio. This is the wake-up call. Stout, coffee stout. Smells like lactose, like milk sugars. It's got some creaminess to it. Coffee, roasted malts. Obviously a lot more flavor with this kind of color, but not a thick, full-bodied, muddy kind of a stout. Not super hoppy. Coffee is in there, like spent coffee grains. Medium on that body. All right, that was 5. That was completely uncivilized. I don't recommend that for everybody, but I kind of been wanting to try to see if I could do that. I'm gonna be peeing for like the next hour. It's gonna be hilarious. That's Josh and Non-Alcoholic. That is some no booze reviews. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Hit that subscribe channel. Leave some comments. Show some love. See you on the next one.